Hello, everyone, and welcome to midday.com. Today, we are going to be talking to an actor who you may have seen in films like Dream Girl, Bala, Stree, and many others. Well, I'm talking about Abhishek Banerjee. Hi, Abhishek, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you, Sophia?
Very good, very good. How's the lockdown treating you?
Nice. I think I'm having fun with it. I'm a homesick boy usually. Last year, and I couldn't stay here because I was shooting throughout the year. So I'm happy. I'm spending some time with my wife and cooking food and cleaning and chilling.
So let's talk about your journey from, being a casting director to an actor. What would you
Hmm.
say has been the most memorable part of your journey?
When I just touched down Mumbai to Milsad Goa,
Hmm.
I think that was the most memorable day because that was a very big leap of faith which I
Mhm.
was taking. I had no idea how to become an actor. And then I started working with Gautam Krishna Chindani, who is a very senior and well-known casting director. He had cast for Dev D, Gulal, Black Friday. That was it. Like when I started casting with him, I started enjoying that because I was giving cues to other actors who were coming who were coming for auditions, and I was playing the different parts. Sometimes I would play the hero, sometimes I would play the villain, sometimes I would play the father. I would even play the female part. So that gave me a very, I don't know, I was very in a very happy state because I love to act. So if I'm getting to act, I'm happy. So and it doesn't really need any medium or any source of audience. I mean, I think जो cues अगर director सुन रहे थे तो वो भी मेरे audience थे. Because of that, I actually got a lot of these small roles which people keep talking about in different films which they see me. It's because somebody has heard my cues and they're like, अरे यार वो एक scene का role है, तू कर लेना please. Like Amar Kaushik would call me for Go Goa Gone when he was the associate director. अरे वो एक केमिस्ट का रोल है तू आके कर देना वर्सोवा में है 5,000 मिलेंगे and I go for the cash
Okay,
and
of course.
yeah, till Mirzapur though has gotten me a professional acclaim, but
Mm-hmm.
it was still Mirzapur was also just to earn money and it was a part-time thing for me. I was not taking it seriously.
Mm-hmm.
Three was the game changer. The day Amar Kaushik, I think he messaged me saying that tu chana kar raha hai. That's been the day where I was feeling the most happy in all these many years in Bombay. Because finally I was doing a film which was going to release in theaters. I think that's the first dream you have.
Okay, and coming to Patalok, the trailer looks so intense and gripping. I mean, it's something that we're really looking forward to. What was it that drew you towards this script?
So the first thing was that I was casting for it. And I know that I will keep hearing these allegations of how I cast myself. All my actor friends जो हैं जितने भी हैं वो मुझे Instagram live पे भी ट्रोल करते हैं कि ये खुद को अपने आप को कास्ट कर लेता है टाइप से. So this is something which has been going on since three,
Yeah.
but I keep telling them that अगर इतना easy होता तो मैं three से पहले भी कर लेता. I've been casting for like probably a decade now. The thing is that when Patal Lok came my way, I had just finished Stree. Stree had released, and Sudeep sir, Karnesh, the makers, Prosit, they were all friends. And I went and told them that I want to play the role which Ishwak is for. They are like, we don't think you are fit for that. Imagine, they just rejected me on that. But then Sudeep sir ने मुझे बोला कि यार तू उसका audition दे, why don't you try for this? And it took me some time to prepare for the audition. And finally, I gave the audition, and I think within 2 to 3 days they called me back saying that you're doing this. I never expected myself to do this part.
Okay. So, what was the kind of prep that you had to do for Hathoda Tyagi?
The first thing which I was starting was I was trying to get the anger, and I was trying to get the how deadly he is, and I have to stand up to the name and strong and all of that. But then during workshop, there was this one time when Shashi Bhushan he took the audition, and he started talking to me about my childhood, and from there abundance, like how we live a very abundant life.
Mm-hmm.
And then suddenly there was this day where he locked me in the room where it was all dark and I couldn't see anything, and he just wanted me to meditate. And I meditated there with my eyes open for like 15 minutes. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा दिन कर दिया, 15-20 मिनट ही था वो. बट वो अंधेरे में जब मैं कुछ देख नहीं पा रहा था अपनी आंख खोल कर भी, I think I understood how less we see as human beings,
Mm-hmm.
and there is so much more to see. And I started feeling the emptiness in so many human beings who are living this, and especially now, I think we all can relate to that emptiness, right?
Right.
So now that completely changed the thought process. I was driven to the pain, the angst, the suffering of the character. And then there was this one day when I was in the car, my wife was driving, and we were coming out. We were going back to our house, and I started crying in the car, thinking about one of the moments from the scene. And that's when it hit me. That's when it hit me that I can really feel the pain this guy has gone through, and that I actually carried on in the performance on set. So the aggression and the violence and everything, where they took a back seat actually. The anger took a back seat. It was more about trying to feel him and trying to
Mhm.
feel what such human beings go through around us. हमारे आसपास ही होते हैं पर हमें दिखते नहीं.
But did it also take a mental toll on you by, in any way? Because a lot of actors have said that, like the characters they play remain with them even after the shoot is over. So, did that affect you in any way?
If I have doubts, if I have questions in my head, and I need some answers, and I'm not getting those answers, maybe I start thinking about Hathoda when he's sitting in the jail and looking for answers. I try to take out the positive ones because they teach you live life. Because sometimes when you play these dark characters and when you are doing these kind of intense parts and roles, what you also realize that thank God that you don't have to be in that reality. See, it's coming from our reality, right? It's not Avengers. हम कोई
Right.
क्या बोलते हैं फैंटेसी नहीं बना रहे हैं, तो हमारी आसपास की कहानी है. और वो कहानी कहाँ से आती है? हमारे दिमाग में तभी आती है जब हम उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं, सुनते हैं, देखते हैं. तो
True.
वो सब तो हमारे पास ही हो रहा है. So I'm always thankful. I'm grateful that I'm not living that life, and I'm living this life where I'm at peace.
Also, did you watch any crime thrillers or, mystery, murder kind of stories or
Yeah,
movies?
Mindhunter, Seven again, Kevin
Yeah.
Spacey. I like to just go and watch some great performances, not so that I can go and copy them, but
Mhm.
so that I can get inspired by them, you
Yeah.
know. And I feel the eeriness, because if I'm feeling the eeriness from them, then I can maybe apply that and do something with it. I just watch some great performance, and then you immediately get inspired by it, and you want to do something good with yourself.
Any Indian shows or TV series or movies that have inspired you in this context?
Inspiration is a big thing, right? Like when you
Right.
Rang De Basanti, I think, has inspired me. I don't know. I started believing in revolution again, and the whole Jessica movement happened. And I was a part of Rang De Basanti, and I was a part of No One Can
No one
Jessica.
can.
So
Right.
it's always about the performances usually. Like when you see Garam
Yeah.
Hawa and you see Baldev when you performing. So suddenly you just get inspired by him. Ki, yaar, what is he like? Where is he getting all of that from?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Or maybe watching Mr. Bachchan doing Diwar, and you get like completely in awe of this human being who can really do so well. India web series की बात करेंगे तो I think Made in Heaven is something which inspired me in terms of, I think it taught me a lot also.
Patalok has been produced by Anushka Sharma. So, was she actively involved in the production process, or did you guys interact with each other?
She was always the support. She was the backbone, and who I think the biggest credit to her is that she chooses to always make these stories which are concept heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Which are always all of our work, like even NH10, or whether Phil or Eve for that matter, or
Right.
Pari for that matter.
Yeah.
They're all different. Clean slate, you never know. You never know
Right.
what to expect.
True.
And that's the best thing about a producer. Like, that someone is ready to back good content without any big stars.
Mm-hmm. Right.
These days, web shows में भी लोग बोलते हैं कि we want to see a very popular face or something like that, but we don't go by that logic when you're making a Patal.
And what was your most difficult scene in this series?
I think the violence. I think the one where I'm butchering or the hammering the the kids, and it was also because the shooting conditions were very tough. It was really, really hot, almost about 45 degrees. And Pura, then I had to like run, and that needs a lot of energy. And this is the first time I was doing something like that, and full-fledged, proper action scene with rage, and the rage which is borderline maniac. So you need to put in a lot of effort and energy for that, and that was, I think, the most difficult thing. और पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं हुआ, बस लास्ट में एक सिंपल सा शॉट था, कांच तोड़ना था, उसमें मेरा शोल्डर डिस्लोकेट.
Okay, so Abhishek, I want to ask you finally, what is the first thing that you're going to be doing once this lockdown is over?
I want to really go on a long drive and go to nature and just feel it, feel the oxygen. And I'm sure oxygen बहुत pure होगा because लोग ज़्यादा चल नहीं रहे, हिल नहीं रहे. तो अगर आप अभी बाहर नेचर में जाओगे तो बहुत ही purest oxygen मिलेगा. So I want to do that.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for your
Thank
time.
you, sir.
And we're waiting
Take
to see
care.
Patal Lok.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.